Welcome to our channel. Spain is a land of thousands of labels, ancient vineyards, and hidden treasures. But with so much choice, how do you find the bottles that truly matter? My mission is simple: to be your guide and your palate in Spain. In every episode, we will select 3 exceptional wines. We'll analyze their character, their quality, and why they deserve a place in your cellar. Today, we start at the heart of everything: Rioja. 3 different styles, 1 price point, around €30. Let's dive in. We begin with a true hidden gem, a limited production born from the stony soils of Rioja Alavesa. This isn't a wine you'll find in just any store. It's a personal discovery that redefines elegance and terroir. Let's take a look at our first selection. A great wine born from a century-old vineyard planted back in 1920. We are looking at a unique blend of red and white varieties, respecting the original plantation of the vineyard and its limestone soul. Tempranillo, Grenache, Viura, Malvasia, White Grenache, and Mazuelo. I promised you hidden gems, and I meant it. There are only 1,668 bottles in existence. Finding this label is a challenge. Tasting it is an experience you won't forget. This wine is the work of Cosecheros de la Bastida, a project that unites 5 small producers from the historic village of La Bastida. This wine shows magnificently today, but it has the structure to evolve gracefully in your cellar until 2030. In our tasting, on the nose, it is sophisticated, dominated by aromas of violets, wild thyme, fennel, and blueberries. On the palate, it is harmonious and balanced, featuring notes of plum, fine tannins, and a striking limestone minerality. And what do the critics say? It has earned 94 points from Tim Atkin and 93 Parker points. This is Espino Bendito Íñigo Perea 2020. An exclusive gem for €29. Now we move from a hidden discovery to an absolute legend. This is one of the most iconic names in Spanish history. Born in the legendary station district of Haro, this wine represents the pinnacle of classic elegance. It has been served at royal weddings and celebrated by collectors for over a century. Let's see if the 2020 vintage lives up to its legendary legacy. Born in the 1920s, this is one of Spain's greatest wine icons, a label that is only produced when the harvest is truly exceptional. If you have the patience, this Rioja will reward you. It has the structure to rest in your cellar for the next 15 years, reaching its peak around 2040. Its soul comes from a master blend, 85% Tempranillo, balanced with touches of Graciano, Mazuelo, and Grenache. In our tasting, to the eye, it welcomes us with a deep, elegant garnet colour. On the nose, it stands out for its high intensity and complexity. Notes of wild berries, licorice, and spices like clove and pepper, with a balsamic and roasted coffee finish. On the palate, it is the definition of elegance, full of personality, with round, smooth tannins that leave a very long, fruity aftertaste. It's the perfect match for red meats, game, cured cheeses, or fine Iberian ham. What do the masters say? Absolute consensus: 95 points from Tim Atkin, 94 from Suckling, and 93 plus from Parker. This is CVNE Imperial Reserva 2020. A true legend with unbeatable value at €29. To wrap up our selection, we look towards the slopes of the Sierra Cantabria, to a family that lives and breathes the vineyard. This wine isn't made in a corporate boardroom. It's born from a small historic cellar in the village of Abalos. It represents the purest expression of a single family's legacy. Let's discover the final jewel of today's episode. For our third wine, we are changing tracks. If you thought Rioja was only about Tempranillo, get ready, because we are moving towards a simply outstanding Grenache that comes from a single vineyard in Abalos, Rioja Alta. A vibrant grape full of fruit, crafted with artisanal care by Bodega Abeca. We are talking about a very limited production of just 3,000 bottles worldwide. A great wine that has completely won over international critics, achieving an identical top-tier score, 94 Parker points and 94 James Suckling points. A true gem that brings the masters together. The wine is aged for 12 months in 500-litre French oak barrels. The moment we've been waiting for has arrived. Let's pour it into the glass and discover what this amazing wine has to tell us in the tasting. To the eye, a deep red colour, beautifully clean and bright. On the nose, very fruity with great aromatic intensity. It showcases plenty of red fruit, like blueberries and cherries. On the palate, a smooth and fresh entry, highly flavourful, with polished tannins and a long finish. This is Abeca 2020, a great wine you can enjoy for €28. An incredible price for a wine born from old vines, from a 60-year-old vineyard that brings all the wisdom of the land into every single glass. Remember, you don't need to spend years searching or travel all the way here to find these masterpieces of Spanish wine. I am here on the ground, doing the hard work for you. Consider me your eyes, your palate, and your personal guide to the best wine purchases in Spain. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vineyard. Salud!